Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this lab, we are going to analyze BigQuery data in connected sheets. It's a challenging lab, so follow the instructions as I do in this lab. So start the lab. So copy your password and log in with your credential in your ignore mode. So click on next. So paste it your password. So click on I understand. So come back to your lab and come back to task number one. So in the task number one, public sheets New York taxi. So copy New York taxi trips and come back to your lab. So click on blank spreadsheet. So go to file. So go for data. Click on data connectors. Click on connect to BigQuery. Get connected. So click on quick labs. Your ID. Click on public datasets. Now paste the taxi trips. New York taxi trips. So click on this. After this, come back to your lab and copy this TLC yellow trips 2022. Come back and paste it here and click on connect. So your spreadsheet will be opened here. So now come back to task number 2. So for this task number 2, there is a link in the description. So copy that formula of task number 2 and come back to your lab and go for function. Click on count if. Click on new, create new sheet. Now delete this and copy paste this formula. Click on enter. So it's loading. So click on apply. So the task number 2 has completed. So come back to your lab and click on check my progress. So task number 2 is completed. Let me move for task number 3. So let me create charts by visualizing BigQuery. So come back to your lab. Click on yellow trips. So click on chart. Click on new sheet. Click on create and column. Click on column chart and click on pie. Add label. Come back and add the label. Click on payment. Search your payment type and value. Click on fair amount. Click on this. So click on apply. So your chart will be look like this. So come back to your lab and click on check my progress. So task number 3 is completed. So let me move for task number extract the data column BigQuery to connected sheets. So come back to your yellow trips and click on extract. Click on new sheet, create it and click on columns and edit it. On this select individual columns option and come back to your lab and copy pickup date and time. Copy this and paste it here. So click on this, one column is added and copy this drop of date time. Copy this and enter here and click on this. So another column is added. So copy trip distance. So paste it here and click on trip distance. Another column is added. So copy another fare amount. So come back to your lab and enter. Click on this fare amount. So it is added now. Now click on row limit. Click on 10,000. Click on sort option. Add. So we must add a distance trip distance. So in this trip distance, click on ascending order. So click on apply. So it's as done. So come back to your lab. Click on check my progress of task number 4. So task number 4 is completed. Let me move for task number 5. So come back to your lab click on TLC yellow trips, click on calculated columns, click on some name as your wish. I am clicking Cloud Minions GCP, and copy of formula given in the description of task number 5. Copy this and come back to your lab and paste it here. Click on add. So at the left of that there is an option apply, so click on this apply also. So it has been applied. So come back to your lab, click on check my progress. So at the end of the lab our assessment is completed. For more updates please like, share and subscribe guys.